One of the things you really need to do while in DC is to visit the Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial. Here you're going to see some of his most memorable quotes etched in stone on the walls. You're going to learn about his vision for the country and his accomplishments as president. Located along the Tidal Basin in Washington, D.C., the Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial stands as a tribute to one of America's most influential presidents. Designed as an outdoor space, this memorial captures the essence of Roosevelt's leadership and the challenges he faced during his 4 terms in office. As you walk through the memorial, you'll find yourself stepping through a series of spaces that symbolize different chapters in Roosevelt's presidency. Each section tells its own unique story, providing visitors with an immersive experience of his life and legacy. Your journey begins with the first space, where a powerful statue of FDR seated in his wheelchair awaits. This figure is a reminder of Roosevelt's resilience in the face of adversity, as he led the nation through the Great Depression and World War II, despite battling the effects of polio for most of his life. Alongside this statue, you will see one of his most famous quotes:
"That the only thing we have to fear is fear itself."
Delivered during his first inaugural address in 1933, these words became a beacon of hope for a nation struggling with the Great Depression. Moving on, you'll come across a series of large stone reliefs that depict the pivotal moments of Roosevelt's presidency, including scenes of the New Deal programs. These vivid images show everyday Americans, farmers, laborers, and families working together to overcome the trials of the Great Depression. These reliefs serve as a visual testament to Roosevelt's belief in government's role in helping its citizens through tough times, marking a crucial turning point in American history where federal initiatives helped shape a new, more inclusive society. One of the most significant parts of the memorial is the statue of Eleanor Roosevelt, standing proudly as the first U.S. delegate to the United Nations. A powerful advocate for human rights, Eleanor Roosevelt played a crucial role in drafting the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948, advocating for dignity, equity, and justice on the global stage. This final section highlights Roosevelt not only as a leader, but also as a man deeply committed to social change, with the support of his equally dedicated wife. Together, they pushed for progress and worked toward a more fair and just society. The Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial is more than just a historical site. It's an experience. It's a place where you can reflect on the strength, resilience, and compassion that defined Roosevelt's leadership through some of the nation's most difficult challenges. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a casual visitor, or someone seeking inspiration, the FDR Memorial is a beautiful, reflective outdoor space that offers a profound reminder of a president who led with hope, courage, and a steadfast belief in the American people.